Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make an LED RGB using Arduino Uno. So let's start. First I'll take an LED RGB, then I'll take an Arduino Uno, and then I'll take 4 resistors. One, two, three, and 4. Okay, so now I'll connect the red one to the 11th pin. Okay, so I'll then connect the cathode to the ground, and then I'll connect the blue one to pin number 10, and then I'll connect the green one to pin 9. So this was the complete circuit. One thing to remember is that all the pins you connect in the LED RGB shall be PWM pins, digital PWM pins. Okay, so PWM pins are who have this kind of mark in them. So don't connect them like on which pins like 13, 12 and 8. Connect them on these pins which have the PWM sign. Okay, so let's code now. So I'll remove the forever block, on start block. I'll remove the code from the forever block, and I'll take the set RGB LED pin and put it on 11, 10 and 9. And then I will wait for 3 seconds. Then I'll do the same again. And this time I'll put it blue, and again I'll wait for 3 seconds. Okay, then I'll take another block, 11, 10 and 9, and then put it green. Okay, and then wait for 3 seconds. So if I run the code, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.